The ankle joint is commonly injected for corticosteroid delivery for a host of painful conditions, including osteoarthritis and various forms of inflammatory arthropathies such as gout and rheumatoid arthritis. If the joint is swollen, it can also be aspirated to aid in diagnosis. The most common approach is via the tibiotalar joint space on the anteromedial aspect of the ankle. In this video, I will demonstrate the surface anatomy and then do a teaching demonstration of the injection procedure. Ankle injection can be done with the patient supine and the ankle in neutral position. Identify the soft spot on the anteromedial aspect, anterior to the medial malleolus, and between the tibia and the talus, and just medial to the tibialis anterior tendon. Make a point about 1 centimeter above the talus and just medial to the tibialis anterior. These injections should always be done using sterile precautions. A no-touch technique is used, meaning that once the area is cleaned, it must not be touched with anything but sterile needles. Scrub the site and then clean in an outward fashion. I am using Providin and following this with isopropyl alcohol. Here I have a 22 gauge 1.5 inch needle and a mixture of 40 mg of dapomedrol with 2% xylocaine mixed to a volume of 2 ml. Advance the needle through your mark, almost parallel to the foot and aiming posteriorly and laterally, and advance the needle to a depth of about 2 centimeters. Always aspirate to ensure that you're not in a blood vessel, and then inject the solution. It should go in freely. If there's any resistance, adjust the needle accordingly. Dry the area and then apply a bandage.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was useful to you. Please remember to subscribe. There are lots of other videos including other injection techniques and physical exams. Thanks and bye for now.